Oh, it's like that. Okay, so that's a thing. He stunned me before I was even able to move. I've never seen that before. Get her ass. She's still alive.
I wouldn't have to do this.
I guess it is Anna, huh? God, dude. Okay. Fair enough. GG's, well played.
Hey, Bubba, you didn't do shit, buddy.
Hey, you guys will definitely get him next time. GG's.
You'll get him next time too, buddy.
Yeah, yep, you're all dead. GG's, well played.
I had a fun time,
You walked
and you're being a
the whole
little bitch
game
about
and you
it.
collected blood.
All I said, I said was GG. I said GG's. I said GG's.
You said it like a sarcastic little bitch, though.
Yeah, you are a little bitch.
Damn, you're a little salty, huh? I'm sorry, man. Hey,
No,
hey,
I just think you're a
don't
little
worry.
bitch.
You
got
guys will
something
get the
up your ass,
4-man next time. GG's, well played. You'll get him next time.
You'll get the 4-man right up there, buddy.
Hey, GG's, man. You'll get him next time. I believe. Dude, that Leland was pissed. Holy. That Leland was so pissed, dude. Dude, that Leland was mauling. Oh my god. I got him again. Hey, you guys got it this time. You guys got it this time, all right?
Yeah, we got it. We got it.
Yeah, you guys definitely got it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Somebody has to play Bubba. I'm not sure if you guys know that or not, but somebody has to play him. The game requires it.
That's cool. I don't know if you guys know this, but the goal of Survivor is actually to escape. So make sure you guys do that this time.
The goal of Bubba is to not get knocked on your ass by a door.
Yeah, get
So-
shit on, you fucking faggot.
Damn, you are so mad. Holy shit.
I'll fuck you in your ass, turn you into a little faggot.
Big yikes, man.
Nah, bro, we ain't mad.
Yeah, just dropping slurs in voice chat because you're not mad. Okay. They DC'd. They're DCing. They're DCing, dude. The fucking Leland DC'd, dude. Ass, dude. Actual ass. Yeah, I'm surprised 2 are sticking around. I'm surprised they don't all DC. I mean, they already got fucking wildly shit on. And they're, like, rage quitting. Oh my god. Annihilated, dude. So bad. Oh my god. They're all disconnecting. What an embarrassing turn of events for these guys. Holy shit. Oh shit. How did that miss her? She was right there, dude. Hey, you guys did great. You guys did even better the second time. Oh, they're all gone. They all DC'd. Holy, he didn't even. The Ana just DC'd. She didn't even die. She just rage quit. Oh my god. Yikes, man.